Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Leo Chen of Levitate Style. Back again with another FARFETCH shop haul video. Back again with another FARFETCH shop haul video here. It's been a great year working with my friends over at FARFETCH. We've done a lot of these shop haul videos throughout the year. Of course, the perfect way to wrap up this year, I want to show you guys my favorite pickups for the holiday season. So these are some of the pieces that I picked up for the special occasion, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I got for the holiday, and now I'm going to wear it in the winter months. All right guys, first up I have this Versace sweater. This Versace sweater here I got in this red color, and I got this in a size 50, which is a US 40. So this one here fits like a medium or large, and right away I just love this bright red color. This is just perfect for the holiday season. I don't really have that many things in this like bold red color, and I love the nice balance with the black and the white with the Versace design. So up in the front here, you got Versace going across, and then you have the classic Versace logo with the Medusa head up in the front. 3 of these in the front here. And I love the different kinds of materials that they use. It's like a woven knit material with like the fine knit. So if you come up close, you can actually see like the texture and the details in that. Now, of course, a horizontal sweater is a must during this time of the year. It's a classic pattern that any guy can wear. And I love this like designer luxury take on the horizontal stripes and with the Versace and the logo going across. Also cool detail on the pattern. You got this like checker racing stripes kind of on the sleeve. So I like these little details. So I love that, you know, you have the logo, but it's not like too much and too busy. And I love this bright red color for the holiday season, and also a really nice pop of red, especially during the winter months. All right, next up I have a Givenchy sweater. This Givenchy sweater here I got in a size extra large. So this sweater was on the top of my holiday wish list, and I really love this clean design on the sweater here, and it feels really nice. It's like a nice like hefty kind of sweater. And I got this a little bit bigger in an extra large because I kind of wanted to go with a more oversized look. And I love this classy, simple pattern. Sometimes less is more with designer brands. This one's just really nice and clean. You got the Givenchy logo going across, and it's black, white, and red. And it's just a little subtle details like the red. I think it looks really nice, kind of nice and popping in the sweater. So I think this is perfect if you wanted something for the holiday, but not too much, too bold. This is such a clean piece that I can wear year after year, season after season. And this one right here, I mean, with these colors, I can literally match this with everything. I can match this with all kinds of Jordans and Nikes, but also with like my boots as well. The extra large is more of an oversized look, so this is fine with layering with a coat, but also it's gonna look really nice as like the bold statement piece in my outfit. So I can easily pair this up with a nice pair of jeans, or even some suit pants would look really nice. So I really like how this looks, and it feels really nice. I do like the heavier weight in a sweater like this. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, next up, I have a HERON Preston sweater. This sweater here I got in a size medium in this black and white print design. So this sweater is really cool. I think from far away, it just looks like a black and white striped design. But when you come up close, you can see all the words and all the print all over the sweater. And I like that it's kind of nice and simple in a way, but busy at the same time. So it says like Heron in black and white, and it also has a staple signature design with the Russian print. And a few things I also like, it's kind of like a mock neck. So if you guys don't love the whole turtleneck, but I think the mock neck is pretty nice, kind of just like right in between. It has that like aesthetic, but not too much. And it's nice enough that you can really layer with something, and it looks really nice as well. Another cool thing about HERON Preston pieces is that on the sleeves, it has the signature HERON Preston like orange tag on it. Also comes with this like orange plastic bag here. So it has that whole like industrial vibe look with the pieces. I got this in a size medium, and it fits pretty well. A little fun style tip for you guys. So this brand is also one of Alicia's favorite brands. So getting this in a size medium this way, it fits me well, but she can also steal it sometimes and wear it. And on her, it looks a little bit like an oversized, comfy kind of sweater. So it's kind of fun if you have a partner that also loves the same brand and you guys both have your eyes on the same piece. You can kind of share this. You know, some of these pieces are kind of like unisex. So it's kind of fun. You can get a cool piece like this and share it and rock it in different ways. All right guys, next up I got something from Gucci. So let me open this up. There's a lot of things going on in this box. It comes with this really nice big tote bag. So that's kind of cool. I didn't expect this at all. And here is the box that it comes in. This is like a nice fancy green box. Let me open this up. Got this bow box. Open this up. Nice like wrapping paper. Ooh, here it is. So next up here, I got a Gucci scarf. This Gucci scarf here, I got in this tan color with the classic Gucci stripes down the middle. So a scarf is a great accessory to have during the winter season. It's a great way to style your outfits, especially if you want to just add a little bit of that designer touch to your looks. This one here, of course, you got the classic Gucci stripes going down the middle, the green and the red. So this one here definitely has like that retro old school vibe with Gucci. And on the main pattern here, you have the Gucci logo going all over. This is definitely more like the old school vibe, old school look. I picked this because I like this like tan and brown detail to go with like my camel coat, my brown pieces that I wear during this time of the year. And then I love the green and the red because that's great for Christmas, holiday time as well. I think a Gucci scarf, an accessory like this is great budget option gifting if you want to get someone a designer piece. And I really love this because you can have a simple outfit but have this like pop of color, pop of like designer luxury look, and it's gonna elevate your whole outfit to another level. This is the one I really wanted to get, but of course there's a lot of different colors and patterns and designs that they have. You can actually feel like the nice material on the pattern here. You can feel each like pattern that they put together. Overall, really love how this looks, and I think this kind of pattern is not gonna go out of style. This is such a classic look from Gucci. So this one is a pretty cool pair here. I'll actually just have you open this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's Prada?
Go ahead.
What did you do?
Ooh, that's fancy.
It's very fancy.
I don't know.
Definitely not a sneaker.
Surprise!
What?
Check it out. What you think?
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, it's so epic.
Look at that. You just get put it on right away. Damn,
Oh my
this is nice. Yeah, that's fancy, girl. You can wear anything and it's gonna look real fancy.
This is the only purse I've ever wanted my whole life.
This is like, this has been your like most wanted thing. Like
For like 5 years.
we've been trying to look for it used for years, but like it keeps selling out. This is like a holy grail designer item.
It's so beautiful.
That is nice. That is really fancy.
God, look at it.
Damn. Is this like bigger, like nicer than you thought?
This is way nicer than I thought.
I don't think
in person.
I don't think we've even seen it in person because
No, I haven't.
it's such a fancy bag.
Well, it's also just so expensive. I never actually considered buying it.
So yeah, thank you, FARFETCH. What do you like about it? Everything?
It's so chic. I think it reminds me of like Baroque period. Like I love like the silver, like the gold hardware. It's like a painting, like in a gilded frame, and then like I like the white because it's just so simple and chic, and then like the black with, oh, like look at this.
Goes with everything.
This is so epic.
Yeah, this is very nice. I feel like this is one of those things that will never go out of style.
No.
And it's so classy and sharp. The materials are great. And obviously, like for you too, you wear black, white, and gold. So it can goes with everything.
That's it. I'm done. I don't need anything else.
Yeah, so they actually have this in a few different sizes. And I think this is the biggest size. That's why it's like
The double.
2 different compartments. And yeah, and this one has the leather strap. Whereas I think there's different options where they're smaller with like a gold chain. So we'll have that linked so you guys can check that out as well. Of course, this came directly from Prada. So it actually even has the Prada shopping bag. So it really feels like the same experience shopping directly from Prada. Comes of course with the garment bag, the shoe bags, but in this case, the bag for the bag. Of course, the fancy Prada box to go with it. When you're shopping from a luxury brand, you also are getting everything high quality. From the paper bag to the box, to the garment bag, and then obviously to the actual product. Everything is just amazing, top notch, and that's why this is such an amazing holiday gift, such an amazing designer grail item. So hopefully this brightens up, 2020 for you. End it on a nice note, know.
It's done.
2020 is good. Hey, happy holidays.
So
Alright guys, so that was a clip a little bit earlier. I surprised my girlfriend Alicia. Another big thank you to FARFETCH for sponsoring this video so I can surprise Alicia with her all-time most wanted item. On this channel, always talking about men's fashion and holiday gifts, but never really about your partner and your girlfriend. So I wanted to take this opportunity to surprise her and thank her. There's a lot of amazing designer bags on farfetch.com, so definitely go check it out. All right, so there you have it guys, another FARFETCH shop haul video with some of my favorite holiday picks and a special surprise to my girlfriend Alicia with this special Prada bag. Let me know in the comments which one of these items is your favorite. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.